Let's start by opening the database file in Excel. This file contains the fields for TO, CC, and BCC, the subject, the fields with the names of the attachments, and the various template fields associated with the Word file. Next, we open the Word template. Let's set it as an email message. Then, we select the Excel file as the data source, clicking on the menu Select Recipients, and then Email Messages. Clearly, we can view the data present in the Excel file. To proceed with sending these communications, we click on the MailMerge Ext icon located in the tab of the same name. Select the corresponding fields for TU and subject. If applicable, we can also choose the CC and BCC fields. We select to send all messages and in this case choose the fields for the two attachments. Finally, we specify the folder where the attachments, corresponding to the names in the database, are located. We click the Send button, which initiates the message sending process. The messages have been sent successfully.